the only one who needs to choose you. We all long to be chosen. It's one of the most tender parts of being human, the quiet ache to be seen, held, loved without hesitation. We look for it in glances, in replies, in gestures, both grand and small. We wait for signs, for certainty, for someone to say, "You, I choose you." But here's the deeper truth, the one that gently pierces through the waiting. The only one who ever truly needs to choose you is you. Choosing yourself might sound simple, but it's one of the most courageous things you'll ever do. It means sitting in silence after the message never comes and still choosing your peace. It means not reaching just to quiet the ache of being unmet. It means resisting the pull of familiar dynamics that no longer nourish your becoming. It means remembering that love, real love, can never bloom where self-abandonment takes root. You may find yourself reflecting on a connection that feels confusing. Someone who appears, then disappears. There may be warmth, moments of beauty, even laughter, but also gaps, inconsistencies, uncertainty. You wonder, what is this? Why am I still tethered to it? But this time you pause. You don't chase. You don't initiate just to fill the void. You don't bend into a version of yourself that fits their rhythm but distorts your own, because you're no longer looking for love in fragments. You're creating space for love that arrives whole. At the same time, there may be another presence in your life, someone steady, kind, consistent, someone who chooses you with open arms and clear intentions. And yet, your body doesn't echo the same yes. Not in that way. So here you are, not fully chosen by the one you're drawn to, not fully drawn to the one who chooses you, and yet more anchored in your own self-worth than ever before. That's the quiet revolution. Choosing yourself doesn't mean you stop feeling. It means you feel deeply and still prioritize your peace. It means you no longer perform for love, you align with it. It means you trust that love, aligned with your truth, will never require you to shrink. So if you're in a moment where someone isn't choosing you the way you long for, pause, breathe, turn inward, and ask, am I choosing myself right now? If the answer is yes, you're already home.